Hello everyone, and welcome to Seymour Library's YouTube channel. In this video, I will be showing you how to download the Creativebug app, log into the app, and use the basic features of the app. Before we begin, make sure that you have logged into Creativebug through our eLibrary and created a username, which will be your email, and password. The app will ask you to log in using these credentials. Once again, I will be showing you the Creativebug app using the iPad, but the process is the same for most smartphones and tablets. Let's begin. First, open your App Store and search Creativebug. Then you just have to tap Get and then accept your installation. You may need to sign into your account. The app will then download, and the time it takes to download may depend on your internet connection. Once it's finished downloading, tap Open. You can choose whether or not, if it asks you to use Bluetooth, you can choose whether or not to say yes. It depends. I'm going to go ahead and say yes for now, but I doubt I'll be connecting it to any Bluetooth device. I am now going to log into Creativebug. So once the app opens, you'll be taken to the main page where you will see a variety of videos for creating. And you'll notice that this looks a little bit different from our online library version, and that's because you can actually pay to have access to these videos at any time. So even though I can click on any of these, like the botanical watercolor illustration, and read about them, also view the materials needed to do the project and the chapters here, I can click the video and watch it.
Hi, I'm Jess Park of Jessie Park. I'm a watercolor and illustration artist. In this class, I'm going to teach you how to use a monoline pen to create botanical illustrations. We'll start with basic stems and leaves, move on to flowers.
There is still the option of purchasing it for future use. So if at any time we stop our subscription to Creativebug, if you have purchased any of these, you would actually retain access to these if you choose to buy them. but you do not have to. You can continue to browse the app and you can view any of these videos at home without any charges. So even if you see that, don't worry about it. Go ahead and continue to pursue your use of the app, and you should be able to view them. So a couple of features to point out. Down at the bottom, you will see the main navigation. You can either choose to explore the site, which is where we are right now, or if you've saved classes from our website version, you can go there. Right now it's on my library, but I just have to go to watch list, and there are the videos that I saved in my example for using the e-library. And so what that also means is that if at any time you are browsing the e-library from your computer and you're searching Creativebug for what to do and what projects, you can save them all to your watch list, but then say you want to not be in front of your computer to actually do the project, you can open your app on your device and you can watch the videos there while you do the project from any space in your home or, well, wherever you are. Instructors is probably not going to be a place that you often go to, but it does feature all the Creativebug instructors. And you probably will also not need settings, but this is what the settings feature looks like. So I'm going to go back to Explore, and it's essentially that easy. Up at the top, you can search for an art form, or if you know the title of a video, you can filter the work. So if you just want art and design classes or crochet, food and home, any down the list, and then you'll see that there's arrows next to them. You can tap into the arrows and it expands what art and design is. So if you want ceramics or craft technology, you can further filter your results. There's also the sort by section, and this will allow you to either go by the most popular ones, or currently it's set to the release date, so it's the newest videos, or you can just go alphabetically, either A to Z or Z to A. And essentially, using Creativebug is that simple. I will click into a video once more just to show you what it's like. Let's try daily creativity at home. So here's the video. I can add it to my watch list to go back to it from this device or any other device. I can read the description of the class. I can view photos. I can leave a comment. I can read comments. There's also the option to share at the very top. I can view the materials. So this looks like it's very simple. They just require paper, cardboard, paint, yarn, and glue, and other household items. I can view the chapters, so you can see how long the class is. And then if I'm ready to begin, I just have to tap play. And the video will start playing. That's how easy it is.
Tapping into creativity is a form of self-care.
Creating can soothe you and keep you in the moment.
Even though we may not be together as a group, it is so important that we stay creative and connected.
You don't need to go far. There's a whole world of inspiration and art materials right inside the walls you live in.
Join us
Join us
in our own homes as we share 31 fun and accessible projects for all ages.
Creativebug is very user-friendly, it has very good video quality, and it gets you creative. So I would encourage you to give Creativebug a try at home and let us know how you like it. And that's it for this video, but I will be back with more informational videos and tutorials. Until next time, bye.